There's hubby outside with the bobcat plowing out the snow. So far, he's got the driveway done. Let's see if we can angle this down a little bit. Yeah. He's got the driveway done, and now he's plowing out in front of the mailbox so that the mail lady can easily deliver the mail tomorrow. It took almost an hour for him to get that bobcat out of the barn, and then he plowed his way through the snow, out the back of the house and around the side and out to the front so he could plow out the driveway. And I won't be going out for a while. I stay in during this. I love the snow, looking at it. I don't take to the cold very well at my age now. But I'll tell you, that little bobcat has come in handy because this much snow, we're talking almost, I think we got almost 2 feet. I think I didn't check the weather report or anything, but I think we got almost 2 feet out here. And like yesterday's video, this is Mooresville, Pennsylvania. And we got that little bobcat not long after we moved into this house. We've been here almost 11 years. And this is the most snow we've ever had here at one time. So, but that's how he shovels, even with just like an inch or two of snow. You know, if it's hard packed, he'll bring the bobcat out and use that. Okay, this is the day after the big blizzard, January 24, 2016.